Where are you going today?
To the lighthouse.
Really?
Yes.
What are you going to do? What kind of moves?
I don't know.
Show me the moves that they teach you there. What do they teach you? Passe? First position, let me see.
First division.
Then what?
Second division.
Okay.
First division.
What else? Passe? Stand up. Plie passe?